How to never forget your password. Don't you hate it when you're trying to log into Amazon, LinkedIn, Facebook, or whatever, and you cannot remember your password, either on your phone or on your tablet or on your PC? It's a problem. Also, if you're in business and you want to share your password with other people, how can you do that without them knowing what your password is? So you have to change it all the time. It can be frustrating, can be a pain. If you run a company and you have tons of people that you work with, freelancers, employers, and all that stuff, then you might want to share multiple passwords, or even with your own self on your cell phone, on your tablet, and on your computer, and be able to manage all your passwords all in one place and keep it encrypted and protected so it's not the same password that you set for everything. Bad idea. Just talk to any cybersecurity expert and they'll let you know you should not use a common password that you use for everything. So let's dive into what password manager you can use and work with that will help solve these problems. I'm personally been with LastPass for quite some time. I really like it. It works. I haven't really changed. There's tons of other password managers out there like Keeper. This is PC Magazine recommending the top 4 here. And there's other ones that are recommended: Keeper, Zoho, Bitward, and LastPass. LastPass, and like I said, all you have to do is go to this, download it. You can use it for free as long as you use it on just one device like your computer, but you can log out, log in. Even if you want to log into somebody else's computer, access your LastPass, then you can log into all your accounts that is saved in LastPass, and it just keeps things super simple and easy. This is not a promotion for LastPass, even though they maybe should be sending me a paycheck. But anyway, I just want to let you know how simple and easy to use. So all you have to do is come in here, get LastPass free. You just fill in your information, hit download. I already have an account. The one thing that I like to use most, and you can get different features. Obviously, I use Chrome predominantly. I add Chrome. It's added here. You just click add. Right now, I don't want to remove it, and you're going to see it up in here. So you can see all these passwords in here that are saved. If I want to go into my LastPass, then I can see all of them, or I can search for them like LinkedIn, ClickFunnels, all these different things. Now let's just show you how simple it is. Once you have it installed and you're logged in here, so obviously I'm logged in, you put in your name and what's your master password, and then now you log into that Chrome extension, or you could go to LastPass and obviously just log in and you can see all your accounts in there. Let's say I want to log into Amazon. All I have to do is click this. I just click this button and it will launch it, and it will log me in automatically. That is the Amazon AW. Now let's just say I go into, I type in Seller Central. I want to go in here and log into my Amazon store account, or all the stores that I might be managing, right? So you can see this little button here. This is LastPass. It comes up, obviously that's Google Chrome, remembering Apple, but you can see all of them in here, and I blurred them out for obvious reasons, and all you have to do is click fill, and then just hit sign in, and then you're automatically logged into your store. It's just that simple. You can have it on your mobile phone. So if I want to just use my mobile phone and pull up something for the paid version, which I highly recommend if you run a business or you like to be able to access all your passwords in one location, or if you share your passwords with multiple people that you don't want to store it, then you can just keep it on your mobile phone, use your fingerprint to access it. It logs you in and you can access it that way. So now let's go back to that Seller Central. Right? Let's say I want to share my login with somebody else. So I come in here, click this little button, and this pulls up this. I just hit the share feature, and then I type in the email address that I want to share this with. I can allow them to see the password, or I can just make it so they can't see the password. They can log into my accounts, but they can't actually see it. So if I want to ever remove them, then I just delete it, and I remove them from having access to that password. They've never seen my actual password characters. One thing that I'd recommend is using the suggested passwords for LastPass. They'll make a very long, complicated, encrypted password. So then you don't have to remember all these. They're all stored in LastPass, and you're just having to remember that one password for your master pass. hopefully this is super successful. You'll never forget a password again. You'll always remember some stuff. It's super helpful if you forget even where you need to log in. You can go to the search feature, type in things, and pulls it up. It also shows everything that's shared with you. So if other people share passwords with you that you work with their business, then you can have access to that. So never forget your password again. Sign up for LastPass or one of these other systems. It's super simple and it's easy to use. And if you work with a lot of VAs and freelancers and all that stuff, it comes in very handy. All right, take care. Wish you the best.